What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are gonna make a breakfast burrito as fast as I can. That's my goal. My goal is 3 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna hit that, but I got my griddle nice and hot. Over here rolling at 490. So yeah, you know what? Just gonna bring you guys in. I'm gonna start a timer. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, and we'll see how long this takes me. I wanna do it real fast. Alright, so I did put a little bit of oil down, but boom, starting the timer. Let's get after it. Now that's about a fifth of a sweet onion. We got one large jalapeno in there. Boom, I'm gonna fry this stuff up real quick. Chop this stuff up. Boom. Alright, so the veggies are going. Got a little browning action happening already. The sausage is, boom, starting to brown up as well. It's not going to take long at all. I'm doing this. Ooh, man, that jalapeno got me. Now, while that's going, let's get the eggs. Forgot the eggs. Alright, so we got 3 eggs here. I hope, because I got one pretty large tortilla here, I hope it's 3 eggs is going to be enough for this bad boy. So I'm not going to season this stuff up yet. Alright. Work on this stuff a little more. Oh yeah, we're starting to go. See how we're doing on time. We're at oh man, we're already at 1:44. So let's just mix this stuff, let it cook up together. Get everything nice and acquainted. Now I did not include the prep time. What I did was I got the griddle going. I cut up a little bit of onion and a jalapeno, put the eggs in the bowl, put some cheese in a cup, and yeah, got my griddle up nice and hot. And that's all it took, and we're here now. So this stuff's going. This has just another I don't know, little hot second. Still see a little pink in there. Oh, all right. Spread that around. Let's get this tortilla warmed up a little bit. Now these are the El Milagro shells. These are our favorite here in the house. They're nice and big and they're thin. Don't need much on there, just a little bit to warm it up. Get it nice and pliable. There we go. Now I'm keeping this thing rolling the whole time live. Oh yeah, we're good. Definitely. All right. Let's get this tortilla out of here. Put you right there. Get these eggs in here. Now this is way hotter than I would normally like, but here we go. So, we're at 3.5 minutes already. Man, time flies when you're having fun, right? All right, we're looking good on that. Put a little seasoning in. This is onion powder. Got a little paprika. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, that was garlic powder, not onion powder. Alright, so boom, the eggs are done, pretty much. Just gonna let that finish up right over here. Ooh, buddy. Ah man, we're at 4:15. And I do got some homemade salsa right here. Some really good stuff. Oh yeah, the shell's nice and good. Boom. Oh man, this smells amazing. Alright, so that took 5 minutes and 42 seconds or whatever till I just started, but I haven't taken it off yet. It is done, and I know it will melt everything together, but not quite as fast as I was hoping for. But yeah, this is, just a basic, easy breakfast burrito. I mean, you got the eggs, sausage, spicy sausage we use, jalapeno, onion, a little bit of seasoning, just a whole bunch of easy stuff. We got some cheese. Now that's a Mexican blend shredded cheese right there. And yeah, once we get this thing going, we're gonna cut it and yeah, put some salsa on it. Alright, so here we are right here. We got this delicious looking burrito. We got the homemade sauce right here. A little thick on there. Alright, take a bite. What do you say? A little hot. That is amazing. Something so easy as just cooking up a few quick ingredients and I will say it took like 7 minutes to cook it, and that was mostly because frying up, getting a toast on the bun or tortilla. Man, that is amazing though. I can't wait to finish this whole thing. Ooh, that creamy cheese, everything's perfect. And I could have wrapped it better, but I was in a hurry trying to get this thing, but is what it is. Well, I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.